Replacing the windows in your Milton home is one of the most valuable upgrades you can make. With New England's famously unpredictable weather, freezing winters, humid summers, and heavy coastal storms, proper window installation is essential for long-term comfort, efficiency, and protection. However, many homeowners unintentionally make mistakes during the installation process that lead to drafts, leaks, higher energy bills, and shorter window lifespans. To help you avoid costly issues, here are the most common window installation mistakes Milton homeowners should steer clear of, along with tips to ensure your project goes smoothly. Choosing the wrong window type for New England weather. Not all windows are designed to handle Milton's dramatic temperature swings and seasonal moisture. Some materials may warp, expand, or contract more than others, creating long-term issues. Common mistakes include choosing cheap, single-pane windows, using wood windows without proper sealing, installing low-quality frames prone to swelling and humidity, selecting styles that don't suit your home's insulation needs. To avoid this, consider energy-efficient windows with insulated frames, low-E coatings, and double or triple panes designed for cold weather performance. Skipping professional installation. DIY installation may seem like a money-saving option, but improper installation is one of the leading causes of window failure. Windows that aren't installed correctly can allow air and water to seep into your home, damaging walls, trim, insulation, and even the window itself. Avoid these DIY risks. Misaligned frames, gaps that allow drafts, incorrect sealing or caulking, poor insulation around the window. Hiring a qualified, experienced installer ensures a proper fit and long-lasting performance, especially important in Milton's tough weather conditions. Forgetting to check and repair window frames. Many homeowners assume window replacement only involves swapping out the old window. But if the existing frame has issues, those problems will carry over to the new installation. Ignoring the frame can lead to hidden water damage, mold or rot, poor insulation, reduced window lifespan. Proper frame inspection and repair, if necessary, is crucial before placing the new window to ensure maximum efficiency and durability. Not using proper insulation around the window. Insulation plays a major role in your window's ability to keep warm air in during winter and cool air in during summer. Without high-quality insulation, air can leak into gaps around the frame. Common insulation mistakes include using expanding foam incorrectly, leaving gaps unfilled, not using insulation rated for windows, applying too little or too much insulation. Professional installers know how to insulate around windows without affecting how they operate, ensuring a tight, long-lasting seal. Overlooking the importance of proper sealing and flashing. Milton receives a significant amount of rain and snow throughout the year. If windows aren't properly sealed and flashed, water can enter the home and cause rot, mold, and structural issues. Common sealing mistakes include using low-quality caulking, skipping flashing tape, not sealing all sides properly, over-applying sealant that cracks later. High-quality sealing maintains strong weather resistance and prevents moisture from seeping into your walls. Poor measurement leading to incorrect window size. A window that is even slightly too big or too small will not seal properly and may not operate as intended. This mistake is especially common in DIY projects. Issues caused by poor measuring include loose installation, drafts and energy loss, misaligned mechanisms, difficulty opening and closing the window. Accurate measurements ensure a perfect fit and better long-term performance. Choosing price over quality. While it's tempting to choose the cheapest option, low-quality windows don't hold up well in New England's harsh climate and often require premature replacement. High-quality windows provide better insulation, longer lifespan, superior energy efficiency, improved noise reduction. This investment pays off with lower energy bills and fewer repairs. Final thoughts. Window installation is a project where quality truly matters. Avoiding common mistakes, like choosing the wrong window type, skipping professional installation, or neglecting proper sealing, helps ensure your Milton home stays warm, dry, and energy efficient through all 4 seasons. With the right products and an experienced installation team, you'll enjoy windows that perform beautifully and protect your home for decades.